In this chapter, we will see program structure of Arduino, then basic programming commands, and then we will write our first Arduino program of LED blinking. When you open Arduino IDE, this window will appear. As you can see, this is the program structure of Arduino. It is having two main functions. First is void setup and second is void loop. And these are the basic programming commands. We will see all these functions one by one. First is void setup function. It is used to initiate variable pinModes using libraries and all. It only runs once. This function you create at the top of each program. Then loop function. The main logic of the program is written here. Main program is executed in this function. And you can start writing a program after opening curly braces. As it's a loop function, it executes again and again. Next is pinMode function. It will configure a specific pin to behave either as input or output. Its syntax is very simple. pinMode in bracket pin comma mode. For example, pinMode 13 comma output. That is, pin number 13 will act as output pin. Next is analog read function. It reads values from specific analog pin, means it will take input, and it maps input voltage between 0 to 5 volt or 0 to 3.3 volt. And analog read values are from 0 to 1023. Syntax is also simple. Analog read in bracket pin. For example, if analog read in bracket A0 is there, then it will read analog values from pin number A0. Next is analog write function. It writes analog value to the pin, means it will update the status of analog pins and also used to map analog values on the PWM. That is, it is used to light LED at varying brightness or drive motor at various speed. Analog values goes from 0 to 255 and its syntax is analog write in bracket pin comma value. This all functions will get more clear at the time of programming. Next is digital read. It will read value from specific digital pin, means it will take digital input. And the syntax is digital read in bracket pin. For example, digital read in bracket 2 is there. Then from this pin number 2, it will take input. That is digital input it will take. Next is digital write function. It will write high or low value to the digital pin. And the syntax is digital write in bracket pin comma value. Here we can make particular pin high or low. For example, if we want to make LED glow at pin number 13, then we can write digital write in bracket 13 comma high. And the last is delay function. It will simply pauses a program for a specific time. Here generally delay is in millisecond. For example, in LED blinking program, LED is high for some time, then low for some time. That time is called delay. And the syntax is delay in bracket ms, that is millisecond. If you want to generate delay of 1 second, then simply write delay in bracket 1000, that is 1 second, because 1000 millisecond is 1 second. This is the program of LED blinking, and the logic is LED should be high for 1 second and low for 1 second, and it goes on. It is called blinking. For that, first I will define my LED at pin number 13. So I will write here int LED equal to 13. After that, in void setup, I will configure LED to act as output. So I will write here pinMode LED comma output. Then in void loop, I will write main program. That is, LED should high for 1 second and low for 1 second. And this process is in loop. So I will write here digital write LED comma high and put some delay, that is delay of 1 second, and again I will write digitalWrite LED comma low. Again I have put delay of 1 second. This is the logic of LED blinking program. Now save the file, then save. I will save it in D drive. Save. Now compile our sketch. Here we will check for errors. Click here on verify. See here it is compiling. It will take some time. And it's done. See here, done compiling. Now it's time to upload our program to Arduino board. But before that, check for board and port. Here, click on tools, then take board, Arduino Uno, and then port, select port COM10. As I have connected my Arduino here, it is showing COM10 Arduino Uno. Click on that. Now upload the program. Click on button upload. See here, done uploading.